Hello students, welcome to my channel. In my today's class, I am going to solve the exercise 2.2. In the previous class, I explained you how to locate or how to represent the rational numbers on the number line, and also how to find out the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, those all with the examples I showed you, but still now I am solving exercise 2.2. I think you might have been solved because I have displayed the exercise 2.2 on the board. You might have been solved them. So now verify your answers with my answers. Okay. Exercise 2.2. First main, represent these numbers on the number line. Represent these numbers on the number line. Which are those numbers? First one is 7 by 4. Then second one is minus 5 by 6. Okay, this is first problem. Now we will see now. 7 by 4. I told you here denominator is 4. We have to make 4 equal parts in 1 unit. See now, I just represent. This is number line, reference point. Denominator is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is what? 1. Next 5. Next one, here 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here it is 2. So here in 1 unit equal 4 parts. That means this is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means what? 1. Next comes 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. And then next comes 8 by 4. Now which one we want? 7 by 4. Where is 7 by 4? This is the required rational number on the number line. Okay. The same way, second one. This is first one. Second one. See here, minus 5 by 6. How to locate? See, this is what? Number line. See, minus 5 by 6. The number comes just left side of the reference point. Then how many parts you have to make in 1 unit? 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now left side means you know. Minus 1 by 6. Why 1 by 6? These all are 6 equal parts in 1 unit. So minus 1 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is 1 unit. Minus 1 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Minus 6 by 6 means this is minus 1. And this is minus 7 by 6. But what we want? Minus 5 by 6. Where is minus 5 by 6? This is minus 5 by 6. So the required rational number. Then the second one we will do now. Second one is represent minus 2 by 11. represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. On the number line. Okay. Now, how many parts we have to make in 1 unit? 11 parts. So now, see, just by seeing you can understand these all rational numbers lie on the left side of the reference point. So better you take the more place in this side only. Here just you mark it like that. But here 11 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, minus 11 by 11. See, this is minus 1 and this is minus 12 by 11, minus 13 by 11. Okay. Now, how many 3 rational numbers we have to locate? Which are those? First one is minus 2 by 11. Where is minus 2 by 11? This is minus 2 by 11. Next one is minus 5 by 11. Next one is minus 9 by 11. These are the 3 rational numbers required. Okay. Then the third main is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Write 5 rational numbers numbers how they are which are smaller than 2, which are smaller than 2. See here, smaller than 2, you know, on the number line, first one we draw one number line here for our reference. It is smaller than 2 means here see, if it is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay. Smaller than 2 means 1 will come, 0 will come, and in between these two it may be here one integer 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 or 1 and half, and this is half. So write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Like this it goes. Behind these all are smaller only. So but they asked us to write 5 rational numbers. Which are those? See now, the 5 rational numbers. The 5 rational numbers. Rational numbers which are smaller than 2 are, see, 1 integer 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next one is minus 1. These all are the rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Next, fourth one. Find 10 rational numbers between. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. See here, different denominators. When the different denominators are there, then what to do first? We have to take the LCM. Okay. See, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? See, 2, 5 as it is, 1s are, 5 1s are. If 1 is the prime number and other number is there now, we have to find out the LCM by their product. Okay. LCM is equal to 10. So here 10 means we have to make it 10. How we can make it? Minus 2 by 5 into 2 by 2 and 1 by 2 into, here we have to multiply by 2 to make it 10. Here 2 is there, we have to multiply by 5 to make it 10. So this is minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. Okay. Then now 10 rational numbers we can write. Which are those? Minus 4 by 10 is this only, the first one. So the next one is minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, minus 0. See here, if we write like this here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 will come. So what to do? 10 we don't get. To get 10, what to do? We have to multiply these 2 by 4. Minus 4 by 10 into 2 by 2. And this also 5 by 10 into 2 by 2. So this implies that minus 8 by 10 and 10 by 20. Sorry, this also 20. Minus 8 by 20. 8 and 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. So which are the 10 rational numbers then? 8 by 20 is first only. In between that means leaving this. Minus 8 by 20. Then minus 7 by 20. Minus 6 by 20. Minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0. Okay. Then 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 2 by 20 are the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Like this, so many more rational numbers can be found out between two rational numbers. This is what the fourth main, fifth, sixth, seventh are there. So please children, copy this if you want or verify the answers. Next 3, I will continue. Okay, the next main, that is fifth main. Find 5 rational numbers between. Find 5 rational numbers between first one, what is that? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Then second curve will go. See, here also different denominators. What to do? We have to take the LCM. So, solution. What is the given question? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. If there are two different denominators, first we have to find out the LCM of both. So what is the LCM of these two? Because both are prime numbers. If two prime numbers are there, their LCM is very easy, just their product. So here LCM is equal to 15. So 2 by 3 into, how to make this 15? By multiplying by 5 by 5. And how to make this 15? By multiplying by 3 by 3. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. And 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now, how many rational numbers we have to write? Find 5 rational numbers. Here we got 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12. 10, 11, 12 we will get. So then what to do? Only just 10, 11, only 1 we are getting. But how many we want? 5 we want. So better you multiply these 2 by 2, 10 by 15 into 2 by 2 and 12 by 15 into 2 by 2. Same we have to multiply. 10 2s are 20 by 30, 15 2s are, and 12 2s are 24 by 30, 15 2s are. Now you can get the number of rational numbers. Which are those? 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30, 24 again. Still we got the less number. Then again what we have to do here? Again we multiply this by 2, or at a time we can multiply both the by another big number, that we may get the number of, here see, here only we got this, no, here only better we can multiply this by 4 by 4, 4 by 4 directly. 10 by 15 into 4 by 4 and 12 by 15 into 4 by 4. Why we decided like this? Because here when we divide, already we got here, only 1 we got, in between these two 1. If we multiply by 2, we will get 2. If we multiply by 4, we will get 5. Okay? If we multiply by 2 here, we will get 3. 4, 5 we will get. So 10 4s are 40, 15 4s are 60. Then and 12 4s are 48, 15 4s are 60. Now see, 40, 48, in between that we can write 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even more also you can get 46 by 60 and goes up to 48 by 60. And here from 40 by 60. This is given only. This also is given. Okay. In between these two. These are 5 rational numbers. Next on are we can get, but they asked us to write, find 5 rational numbers. These 5, 3 plus 2, 5 rational numbers. This is not the method of finding the rational numbers between two rational numbers. The next one is second one, that is two by 3, 4 by 5 finished. No. Second one is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 and 5 by 3. See here, LCM is equal to 6. So minus 3 by 2, we have how to make it to 6? By multiplying by 3 by 3. And 5 by 3, how to make it 6? Into 2 by 2. So minus 9 by 6 and 5 2s are 10 by 6. See here, no need to again multiply with any other number, because so many rational numbers we are getting here. Which are those? minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, like this up to 0. Already we got here 5. Then here 1 to 1 by 6 to 10 by 6. Plenty of rational numbers we can get here. See, this is given only minus 4 by 6 and so on. Minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0. Then 1 by 6. Here like this 0. Afterwards minus 1 by 6, minus 9 by 6. Sorry, here not minus because positive side 1 by 6. It goes up to 10 by 6. Here now this is given only the first one. Minus 9 by 6 means nothing but it is minus 3 by 2 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are required. Remaining on are many more rational numbers we can get by this method. Next one you can try. Already you might have been got it. The answers 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. Next one, write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Sixth main. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. See, now if you draw one number line very easily, you can understand. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2. How many we have to write? Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. If you go towards the right side, all are greater than minus 2 only. So, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, this is what the sixth main. Seventh main, again better I will do the seventh main here. So please copy this because the sum is little bit bigger again. So here I will solve, copy this. Okay, the last problem, that is seventh one. See here, find 10 rational numbers between 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Again you have to take the LCM. What is the LCM? 20. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay. Now LCM is, what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 20. So 3 by 5. How to make this 20? By multiplying by 4 by 4. And 3 by 4. How to make it 20? By multiplying by 5 by 5. So 12 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now how many rational numbers we have to write? 10 rational numbers. 12 to 15. Only 13, 14 we will get. So what we have to do? We will multiply again by 6. See now 10 we want. 10 means just we are getting here 2. Remaining 4 we want. So better here only we multiply with the big number, or no, this is LCM, no, okay. Now 12 by 20, we multiply this by 10 into 10 by 10, and 15 by 20 into 10 by 10. 12 tens are 120 by 200, and here last comes and 150 by 200. In between that, see 121 to 149. So many we will get. In that we will write any 10. So this is 121 by 200, 122 by 200, 123 by 200, 124 by 200, 125 by 200, 126 by 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 127 by 200, 128 by 200, 129 by 200, 130 by 200, and so on. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to it, up to 150 by 200. These are the 10 rational numbers in between given numbers. These are all the exercise. Okay children, thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.